Look at him. Why is he so excited? Wonder why. Ooh, sharp sun. What? What? Is there something? What? Could it be? What? Takeout container. What's in the takeout container? Ooh, you recognize these, don't you, by now? Ooh. Okay, we'll go have some. Yes, there's bacon in here.